Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure directors and officers insurance with Chubb, complete guide step by step clearly. To configure directors and officers insurance with Chubb, begin by understanding the specific needs of your organization. Identify the key stakeholders involved in the decision-making process. Gather relevant information about your company, including its size, structure, and industry. Research the specific coverage options that Chubb offers for directors and officers insurance. Consider your organization's unique risks and exposures to determine the suitable coverage limits. Contact a Chubb insurance broker or representative to discuss your requirements. Request a quote based on the information you've collected. Review the terms and conditions of the proposed policy. Ensure that the coverage includes essential elements like defense costs and coverage for employment practices. Discuss any endorsements or additional coverage options that may be necessary for your organization. Evaluate the premium costs and payment options provided by Chubb. Once satisfied with the terms, complete the necessary application paperwork. Submit the application along with any required documentation. Wait for the underwriting process to be completed by Chubb. After approval, review the final policy document carefully for accuracy. Make any necessary adjustments or discuss concerns with your broker. Once everything is confirmed, make the initial premium payment as outlined in the agreement. Ensure that your organization understands how to maintain compliance with the policy. Set reminders for annual reviews to ensure that the coverage remains adequate as your organization grows. Stay informed about any changes in laws or regulations that could impact your D&O coverage. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.